Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 28. Persons found in breach of the upcoming ban on smoking in public spaces could face fines of up to $500,000 or a 6-month prison term. Legal officer at the Health Ministry Cheryl Dennis says under Section 18 of the health regulations, owners, lessees and managers will be held liable for breaches which occur on their premises.
The penalties which are laid down are $50,000 in respect of an individual, up to $50,000, or 3 months in prison for a first offense. In the case of a second offense, it is up to $500,000 or 6 months in prison.
The ban on smoking in public spaces takes effect on July 15. The National Road Safety Council (NRSC) is expressing renewed concerns over the prevalence of motorists who are speeding on the roads, putting many Jamaicans at risk. Data from the NRSC show that from January 1 to June 26 this year, fatal crashes increased by 20% and road fatalities by 10% compared to the corresponding period in 2012. The council says speeding is a major contributor to the marked increase in fatal crashes and road fatalities and is calling on the police to intensify its crackdown on offenders. The country's social enterprises are getting help through a public-private partnership involving the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, Jamaica National Building Society Foundation, and the United States Agency for International Development. Social enterprises are commercial businesses, usually at the community level, which provide products or services. Through the recently launched Social Enterprise Boost Initiative, SEBI, they'll be given technical support and funding by working with government agencies such as the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. State Minister for Industry, Investment and Commerce, Sharon Folks Abrams, says this is just one of several interventions to help these and other small businesses.
The National Insurance Fund will be reserving $2.5 billion for entrepreneurship. So this is a new source of funding that the government is making available.
The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, and the Mona School of Business have signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU to strengthen management mechanisms in the agricultural sector. The agreement formalizes the continuation of the Open Data in Agriculture initiative between the two entities, which serves as the pilot for a broader regional initiative called Code for the Caribbean. The MOU will be carried out as a fellowship program.
We get a bunch of very bright developers, technologists, we call them fellows. We're going to embed them in RADA, so they're literally going to become a part of the RADA organization, and for the next 6 months they're going to understand the domain, work with your experts.
Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has reiterated government's plans to reform the education portfolio and place even greater emphasis on special needs students.
By year after next, we want to make sure that in every school, full-time or part-time, there is a teacher who is trained in special education in every school.
The minister was speaking recently at the 2013 launch ceremony for the 30th Special Olympics Jamaica Annual Summer Games. And finally, First Lady of Burkina Faso, Her Excellency Chantal Compaoré, has met with Health and Education Ministry officials as part of her working visit to learn from Jamaica's experiences in dealing with the challenge of teenage pregnancy. She has also met with students of the Haile Selassie High School, where the young women who benefited from the Gender Affairs Unit shared their stories. The Burkina Faso First Lady said she expected the visit to help improve the issue of adolescent pregnancy in her country.
Oui, parce que nous n'avons pas votre expérience, c'est pour ça que nous sommes venus ici pour voir avec vous, pour avoir avec vous l'expérience que vous avez en matière de prise en charge de ces adolescentes et aussi voir comment nous pouvons le traduire chez nous aussi pour améliorer les conditions des jeunes filles comme vous.
So as I said, the situation is difficult, and that's why we are here, to learn from your experience and to see how we can translate the successes that you've had in your experience in our own country.
The First Lady, who is on a 6-day working visit to Jamaica, departs the island on Saturday. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.